Every country has symbols people instantly recognize. For Sweden, some are official, others just became Swedish somehow. The Dala horse might be the most famous one. Small wooden horses, usually painted red, originally made in Dalarna, simple, traditional, and somehow present in gift shops across the entire country. Then there's the classic red wooden house, white corners, a garden nearby, possibly a Swedish flag somewhere close. The red paint became popular centuries ago, and Sweden never really moved on from it. Then there's the Midsummer pole, a giant leaf-covered structure placed in the middle of a field. Around it, people dance in circles and willingly imitate frogs. No further explanation exists. Then there's the blue IKEA bag, officially designed for carrying things. In reality, it's used for absolutely everything. Laundry, firewood, groceries, recycling, moving apartments. At this point, it's basically Swedish engineering in fabric form. Then there's the cheese slicer, a completely normal object in Sweden, until foreigners realize not everyone owns one, which immediately raises a very important question. How are they cutting cheese? Traditional wooden clogs, still surprisingly common, especially near gardens, summer cottages, or people who own tools. In winter, candles become almost symbolic too. Windows glow softly everywhere. Coffee tables, kitchens, apartments lit like small warm islands in the dark. And then there's coffee. Not officially a national symbol, but honestly, close enough. Coffee during Fika. Coffee during meetings. Coffee before doing something. Coffee after doing something. Forests, islands, and lakes are symbols too. Not because they're unique, but because they're everywhere. In Sweden, nature isn't something distant. It's part of daily life. The most Swedish symbols aren't loud or dramatic. They're simple, practical, quietly repeated over generations until they become part of everyday life. Red houses, Dala horses, midsummer poles, coffee. Not just symbols of Sweden, but symbols of how Sweden feels. Subscribe to Discover Sweden the Swedish Way.